Guys, there's no hole here, so today I'm gonna be cutting in venting right here. First, what you want to do is get this shit under the shingles you're gonna be cutting open. It's right there for me. Now mark mine out. Put this on top. Use this to cut a line. Use this side. So obviously there's no hole, but we're gonna make one. Before that though, I'm gonna get this red nail bar, pull up any nails that are gonna be in the way. None there. One here. This nail out. One here. Another one there. Alright, now I just now get this saw. You only want to cut open a 6-inch wide hole. So that's what I'm going to do. For anyone saying my vents are gonna leak, this isn't gonna leak. There's no way, because this has a whole 6 inches before water can get up in there. Not to mention the bottom's right along with this, so water's gonna go hit the shingle before it can go up. There's no way this is ever gonna leak. So you guys need to chill on me. Stop being such haters. You guys don't know what you're talking about. Just like that. That's how you do it. I don't have no air, but just nail it on.